It was a problem with the OBS. I opened OBS Studio and it's working fine now. Can you guys hear it? The game. I hope so, because I'm about to start. Whether you can hear it or not. All right. It's good, yeah? Well, I mean, I have to use OBS Studio now. I don't have any notifications, I don't have nothing, because OBS Studio is very primitive. But OBS Studio reads the card just fine. So it was the other OBS that was acting up. Anyway, let's get going. Let's get going. I was already getting angry, like the Hulk. Shh, look, look. The game is trying to stop me from recording the game.
We are born of two universes, each of them imperfect, each afflicted with the cancer of organic life. From their ruins, a new universe shall be forged in the fire of the stones of reality and space. All life remade in our image, in steel, free from the sins of the flesh. We are Ultron Sigma. We are your god.
Hey Toby, welcome. Sorry, I'm being quiet. Have you ever seen Mega Man with Captain America's shield?
Strider!
Captain America, our teams are in position. The enemy's forces are massing at the palace gates.
Then let's not keep them waiting. Heroes, move out!
Oh man, it's so good. It's so good. Oh man. Anyway, so welcome everyone. Sorry about the hiccup when I tried to start the stream earlier. It's amazing. How is everyone doing? Has anyone seen this game yet? The demo. It's a blind run of a demo. But yeah, it's still blind for me.
Us together, this'll be a sin.
Let's go.
Ready. Fight.
Score a hit. Square like punch and keep tapping the button to execute an auto combo. For more information, blah 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 blah. It does look good, doesn't it? Ultron drone. Whoa. It doesn't work, this thing. Ah, I need to throw the shield. Let's see. Haha. Yeah, baby.
Victory is just ahead.
What? He has an Infinity Stone? Oh wow, I switched to Mega Man, but I didn't get to enjoy him much. Chun-Li.
Stay down. Chun-Li, Captain Marvel, shall we?
Lel, blame autocorrect. We are all beautiful people here. Except me.
Quit, do you? Here they come.
Ready.
There's no time limit. I'm not a big fan of fighting games, but this is so good, and it has a great story mode. Are we gonna play as Chris Redfield in this game? I wanna play as Chris Redfield. I wanna give me something Resident Evil, at least the C3, please. Hold on. Come on. Okay, that's enough. Now I'm mad. That's it.
Ready for
Hey,
that?
Cheer! Cheer is in the house!
Same fight.
How are you, Cheer?
Doctor Strange!
I'm doing okay. Relaxing after a day at work.
Heroes of both dimensions, welcome to ours. The Prince of Asgard has come home. Go, show him what we've made of you.
Vengeance for Asgard!
Look, it's Arthur from Ghosts and Goblins. How cool!
Sir Arthur, not bad for one so small.
And you, Thor, are indeed mighty for a heathen god. What's this? Fresh fodder!
No, stay your lance! My people, what has become of them?
Thor.
No need to panic, big guy. They're just taking a nap. They'll be fine. Eventually.
Stark? Spencer?
Nice weapon, Lancelot. Compensating for something?
What?
Only your foolishness, Iron Man.
Ha ha! I like him!
So awesome. Compensating for something. Oh, Iron Man. I can't believe you told that to Arthur. I want to play Ghosts and Goblins one of these days. It's such a great game. I need to play that game.
Ready. Fight!
Strike my foe! First attack! Strike my foe! Command you, dog! Super! Counter! Yeah! Strike my foe!
How cool! It's the same jump from the game, the way he jumps. So cool, look. So, I was familiar with Ghosts and Goblins. It's such a classic character. Oh, I'm looking at chat. Nice.
Get ready! Come at me!
Ooh, nice. Come on, Doug. Character. Actually, oh, it's Dante
7-6.
from Devil May Cry.
Come on, Hawkeye. Man, this is getting embarrassing. Let's call it a tie.
Yo, Dante. Out of ammo. Can the ladies come out to play?
For you, Rocket, anything. Be good.
Ebony, ivory, care to dance?
Oh, cool. Hey, Punisher. It is a good game, isn't it? I just pre-ordered it today. And I feel like I've been rewarded with a demo. Oh, man. Yeah, it is a good game. Too bad. Yeah, you can't beat it. It was too hard. Yeah, it's too hard. But it's such a great game. There's the one for the PSP. I never finished it, but I'll try finishing it one of these days. Ooh, nice. Oh, look at the tech. Nice. Let's switch. I'm getting this. I hate, as I was saying earlier, I hate fighting games. The only reason why I'm getting this game, because I'm not a sucker for fighting, but I'm a sucker for a good story, and this has a promising story mode. It looks great. McKnight, hey!
Damn, these things are like cockroaches.
Chris Redfield!
Have care, Commander Redfield. These were once my people. Even now, they fight well.
This was my home too, Thor. Ultron Sigma's going to pay for what he's done.
Please, please play as Chris Redfield. I want to play as Chris Redfield! Come on! Umbrella Agent's excited. There he is! I'm excited too. I'm excited too. Like a little boy. Alright, we're playing as Mega Man. Wow, come on Mega Man. Do your attack. Nice. Switch. Oh, it's not Chris Redfield, the other guy. I hope there's more characters though, huh?
Courage, my friend. I swear I will release you from Ultron Sigma's grasp.
Yes, it is the RE5 look,
Die
yes.
trying.
How cool is it to see Chris and Mega Man teaming up, eh?
Where's Doctor Strange?
Captain?
Doctor, can you get us in?
The convergence has left Asgard's magic weakened.
Stefan!
We can breach the prison's walls from here.
Good. Commander
There he is.
Redfield. Chris, you ready?
Wait, is he voiced by the same guy? Shut up.
I'll take that as a yes.
I'm gonna play as Chris Redfield, I have a feeling.
This prisoner better have the answers we need. He will. He has to. Or this is the end.
In Arabic, Thor means bull. In Maltese, bull means Barry. In Maltese, Barry. It's an awesome game, Stefan. It's an awesome game. Come on, look. It's Rocket Raccoon holding guns with Chris Redfield.
Do you feel it? This psychic maelstrom of torment and despair.
Yeah, it sucks.
Every prison's the same.
Done a lot of hard time, huh?
No. But I've put a lot of punks like you away.
Huh?
Halt!
Everybody has powers, but Chris Redfield has a gun. Well, I mean, strictly speaking, even Rocket Raccoon only has guns. But very interesting. It's a great game, isn't it? Oh, man. I can't wait to get the full game. Oh, man. Stefan says Baribulrum. It means a bull with horns.
We can't let them sound the alarm. Take them down!
So much for the secret mission.
Alright, Chris Redfield! Oh, with the shotgun! Nice! Oh, he has his guns. He took out like 3 guns. He has the pistol, he took out the magnum. Let's try it with the magnum again. That's the pistol. That's the magnum. And this. And this. Come on, let's do an ultimate attack. And the grenade launcher. Nice! Can we try it again? It's guns. Oh, he has his guns, Chris Redfield, but it's amazing. Hey, Gideon!
This is it.
Wow.
Oh no. Nah, bad idea.
Rocket, what is it?
Seriously? You know who this is, right? Doc, back me up here.
Commander,
We've got a job to do.
Wow.
We're not
It
leaving
is the
without
same
him.
guy voicing Chris from RE5. Who can tell?
We can't hold these guys off forever.
Redfield knows what he's doing.
They're a small team. Agile. They'll get the job done.
Cap, this is Hawkeye. We're out of time. He's coming.
You see Ultron Sigma?
I've got a clear shot.
Take it.
Does anyone know what's going on in this
All
game?
teams, engage. Go, go,
I will
go.
explain later. It is Mac Knife, isn't it? I knew it. And I think Chris Redfield's in charge because they were like all looking up to him to make a decision.
Taste my steel. No.
They became his men, like that.
You still dare challenge us, Prince of Asgard?
You shall pay for what you've done to my people. Spencer, with me.
Oh wow! Basically, Ultron got hold of the Infinity Stones. That's why he's so powerful now, and he's like a god.
I shall remove
But the thing
you
is
from
this,
that
they became
rope,
so
villain.
desperate.
Fools, our will is law. We will destroy you.
Alright, let's go.
Ready. Fight.
Oh my goodness. I just realized this is Ultron Sigma, that's why he's giving me a hard time. You know what, I'm switching. Okay. Wow, check out his health. I can barely do any damage to him. Holy crap. What's going on? Whoa. Look, I'm barely doing any damage to him. No! He trashed me. I didn't even stand a chance. Look how much little damage I did to Ultron.
Do you see now how powerless you truly are? Not for your people, Thor. They have achieved perfection. And soon, you shall be their prince once
Hey,
more.
Black Ghost.
Commander Redfield, did you have something to add? Some great insight?
You're going down, Ultron Sigma.
That's it? Some banal cliche? It's fitting that those would be your final words.
Doctor, get us out of here! With pleasure, Captain.
Good.
That's how it's gonna end for sure. Yeah, I figured. Alright, so, Sigma. 2 premium costumes. I don't care about those. 4 premium costumes. I like the Hulk. Look at the Hulk with the armor from from the one he was wearing in Thor Ragnarok. You see him? Of course you do. You're looking at the same screen I am. Pre-order now. I already have. Thank you very much. If I pre-order from here, though, I will get a digital copy. If I pre-order from the store, look, it's Buzz Lightyear. I just realized the guy on the left looks like Buzz Lightyear. Alright, I'm gonna play this one more time, guys. I'm gonna play this one more time for the benefit of those who just joined in and maybe they missed the beginning of how things are. So I'm gonna play one more time. If I had to stop now, the stream would be 23 minutes long. So let's go again. Let's go one more time. Oh, I hit pre-order. Nice. Cancel. Alright, we're going again. Look! The game is trying to block me from streaming this. It's true, huh? Nothing. Alright, let's go again. Let's go one more time. You leave in, Punisher. Okay, thank you so much for hanging out. Make sure you leave a like on your way out. Let's go again. Basically, Ultron got hold of the Infinity Stones. That's why he's so powerful.
We are born of 2 universes, each of them imperfect, each
leaving.
afflicted with the cancer of organic life. From their ruins, a new universe shall
You leaving,
unfold
McKnight?
in the fire of the stones of reality and space.
Bye.
All life remade in our image, in steel, free from the sins of the flesh. We are Ultron Sigma. We are your
So basically
God.
they got desperate and they had to ask for Thanos' help. They are in Asgard right now, aren't they? I recognize the bridge.
Strider!
Captain America, our teams are in position. The enemy's forces are massing at the palace gates.
Then let's not keep them waiting. Heroes, move out!
I like that they call his teammates heroes. And I like that Chris Redfield apparently calls the shots. Because everybody looks up to him for a decision, and they were like, Commander. And he's like, we stick with the plan.
I'll lend you my shield anytime.
With us together, this'll be a sin.
Ready.
Alright.
Fight. Counterattack. Counter. Over here. Saber. Charging star.
Yeah, they are in Asgard. Hey.
Over here.
Haha. Hey, V4. Hello. You didn't blow me a kiss today when you came in. No kiss for me today, huh?
Chun-Li? Captain Marvel? Shall we?
Maybe if you get a do you have a PS4? If you have a PS4, you can play together this game in September. We can fight. We can fight.
Don't know when to quit, do you? Here they come.
Ready.
Okay, Captain Marvel.
Fight. First attack.
Feel this! Power Buster!
Spectacular.
This ends now. Proton blast! Time stone! Let's go! To time stone!
V4. You're distracting me. Stop it, you're distracting me. There's only I only have one weakness. It's kisses. Oh man.
Ready for round
Hey,
three?
Kenna Chris!
Different streets,
Welcome.
same fight.
Welcome.
Doctor Strange!
Heroes of both dimensions, welcome to ours. The Prince of Asgard has come home. Go, show him what we've made of you.
Vengeance for Asgard! Sir Arthur, not bad for one so small.
And you, Thor, are indeed mighty for a heathen god. What's this? Fresh fodder!
No, stay your lance! My people, what has become of them?
I don't think so, V4, however, because this is just the demo. I've already finished it once. I'm going through the second run through. I'm sorry. Okay, V4. I hope to see you again soon.
No need to panic, big guy. They're just taking a nap. They'll be fine. Eventually.
Stark? Spencer?
Nice. Weapon lance a little. Compensating for something?
Only your foolishness, Iron Man.
Ha ha! I like him!
Compensating for something? It's cute. It's weird that they made Arthur so short though. I mean, I don't know. He looks helpless.
Ready.
Let's switch to Arthur actually. Hold on.
Command you, dog! Super power. Oh my honor! Power stone! Power stone! Power stone! You're on!
Oh man, the song is in my head now. So cute. It's weird that they he threw a flame, he threw the fire. It's weird that they still acknowledge this character, but they haven't done anything with the franchise in years, even more than a decade. Take care, Vigo. Oh, there's Dante.
9-6. Come on, Hawkeye. Man, this is getting embarrassing. Let's call it a tie.
Yo, Dante. Out of ammo. Can the ladies come out to play?
For you, Rocket, anything. Be good.
Ebony, Ivory, care to dance?
Ready.
Oh, I could have switched to Dante earlier. I was wondering why I couldn't play as Dante, so let's switch right now.
This party is about to rock.
I don't know what the Infinity Stone. Oh, Groot! Did you see Groot? I am Groot. Let's switch. Let's switch. Let's switch.
Power stone! Power stone!
Power stone.
And finish!
Awesome.
Damn,
Oh,
these
yeah,
things are like cockroaches.
Have care, Commander Redfield. These were once my people. Even now, they fight well.
This was my home too, Thor. Ultron Sigma's
What
going
do you
to
mean this
pay
was
for
your
what he's
home?
done.
Mega Man used to live in Asgard? I don't get it. This is confusing. What? Mega Man used to live in Asgard as well? We didn't know that.
Ready. Fight. Courage, my friend. I swear I will release you from Ultron Sigma's grasp, or die trying.
Where's Doctor Strange?
Captain?
Doctor, can you get us in?
The convergence has left Asgard's magic weakened. We can breach the prison's walls from here.
Good. Commander Redfield. Chris, you ready? I'll take that as a yes.
This prisoner better have the answers we need.
He will.
He has to. Or this is the end.
Doctor?
Do you feel it? This psychic maelstrom of torment and despair.
Yeah, it sucks.
Every prison's the same.
Yeah, done a lot of hard time, huh?
No. But I've put a lot of punks like you away.
Hmm?
Halt!
I really don't like Rocket's voice, to be honest with you. I don't know, it's just something's off. I don't like Rocket's voice. But Chris looks good, huh? And he sounds good as well.
We can't let them sound the alarm. Take them down!
So much for the secret mission.
Ready! Fight! 1, 2, attack! 1, 2, here's another!
The Magnum.
1, 2, here's another!
Oh man, I threw a grenade.
Time for overkill! Slant down! This is it.
Oh no. Nah, bad idea.
Rocket? What is it?
Seriously? You know who this is, right? Doc, back me up here.
Commander.
We've got a job to do. We're not leaving without him.
You see, it's like they wanted
We can't hold these guys off forever.
Redfield knows what he's doing.
They're a small team. Agile. They'll get the job done.
Cap, this is Hawkeye. We're out of time. He's coming.
You see Ultron Sigma?
I've got a clear shot.
Take it. All teams, engage! Go, go, go! Taste my steel! No!
You still dare challenge us, Prince of Asgard?
You shall pay for what you've done to my people! Spencer, with me!
Let's go.
I shall remove you from that throne, villain!
Fools, our will is law. We will destroy you.
No,
Ready.
no.
Fight!
Now I'm trashing him, huh? I mean, thrashing him.
Mighty North Wind!
His health is not going down.
Your power!
I didn't stand a chance. Nothing. Oh, I've got to go. I was gonna say Spencer. Nothing. Nothing. Not standing a chance.
Right here! Get over here! Ready for this? Come on, sucker! Hit him there! Get over here!
What? His health went back up. I'm not standing a chance with this guy. What the heck is this? Nothing. Wow. This meant I'm meant to die with this one.
Pitiful. Do you see now how powerless you truly are? Not for your people, Thor. They have achieved perfection. And soon, you shall be their prince once more. Commander Redfield, did you have something to add? Some great insight?
You're going down, Ultron Sigma!
That's it? Some banal cliché? It's fitting that those would be your final words.
Doctor, get us out of here! With pleasure, Captain!
Oh, they all escaped. I just realized.
Good.
Alright, that was it. I hope there will be more characters revealed though. I don't think there's enough in this game. Either way, I pre-ordered it anyway. I wouldn't say that E3 sucked, to be honest with you. I may be the only person that says that, but I wouldn't say it sucked. It was alright. It was alright. Yes, disappointing that we didn't get to see The Last of Us, and we didn't get to see Resident Evil 2 Remake, and this and that. There were a few things we expected, but we didn't get. No, that's fine. But I wouldn't say it was a bad E3. I would say that last year's E3 may have been better, I think. But no, it was alright. It was alright, but it wasn't good as last year's for sure. No, but I wouldn't say it was bad. Alright, I'm gonna go. Time for me to get some sleep. This was fantastic. I am really glad I actually streamed this. I was just gonna play this offline, really, just experience it. You know, because it's just a short demo. Why would I stream it? But it's a lovely. It was a good demo. You know, it wasn't just. So yeah, I'll be playing this in September. I think it's the 19th of September or 24th, something like that. So I'll be returning to this game in September for sure. I hope you all enjoyed my stream, my 40-minute stream or so. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, everyone. Thank you. I might be on tomorrow again with something else. We shall see. I might. I'm not so sure. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.